Call center workers may be more vulnerable to COVID-19 because they work long hours in crowded and confined spaces. Seoul's mayor wants an investigation into the working conditions of more than 400 such facilities in the city and reviews suspending operations at call centers, internet cafes, and karaokes. Yoon Jungmin shares with us his remarks.
Most call center workers sit less than 2 meters apart and work without masks. Experts say this kind of working environment can make it easier for infectious diseases to spread.
At large call centers, 100 or 200 employees work in an enclosed area, and they have to speak into phones a lot. This raises the risk of droplet infection, as they often can't wear masks.
Call centers are disinfecting offices, checking employees' temperatures, and encouraging workers to wear masks as much as possible. After a cluster of confirmed cases at a call center in Guro, Seoul City Mayor Park Won-soon announced Wednesday that the city government will monitor every call center in the capital. He earlier said in an interview that the city might order private call centers to shut down if they don't follow rules for prevention.
To prevent other infections, we have started monitoring all 417 private call centers in Seoul as an emergency measure.
Seoul City says there are more than 700 call centers in the country, and labor unions say there are around 900 centers employing more than 75,000 workers across the country. The mayor added the city needs tighter controls on other places such as karaoke rooms or PC rooms, where people often gather in an enclosed space for a relatively long time.
We need special controls at karaoke rooms or PC rooms because they are vulnerable to COVID-19 infection. Currently, we recommend them to temporarily close their doors, and if necessary, it will issue an administrative order to ban those places.
Experts strongly recommend working from homes and avoiding places that are particularly vulnerable to contagious infection, including call centers, gyms, and nightclubs. Yoon Jungmin, Arirang News.